Hello, today we will guide you through how to check in with Wizz Air. In this walkthrough, we'll take you from the Wizz Air homepage to the dedicated check-in and bookings area and explain what you'll see there so you can confidently move forward with your online check-in. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to the official Wizz Air website. Give the page a moment to load fully so all menus and buttons appear. It helps to have your booking details ready, specifically your booking reference and the last name on the reservation, as these are commonly requested during check-in. Also, make sure your travel documents match the details on your booking to prevent delays later. On the Wizz Air homepage, look for the section labeled Check-in and Bookings. On a computer, this is typically found in the main navigation at the top of the page. On a phone or tablet, you may need to open the main menu first and then scroll to find it. If you don't spot it immediately, take a slow scan across the header. Airlines often place this near options like Book, Timetable, or Login. Select Check-in and Bookings to proceed. This takes you to Wizz Air's area for managing reservations and starting the check-in process. It's designed to be straightforward. You'll either see fields where you can enter your booking code and last name, or, if you're signed in, an overview of any upcoming trips linked to your profile. The layout may vary slightly by region or device, but the goal is the same. Provide quick access to your booking so you can check in. On this page, you can initiate check-in for your flight. If your booking is eligible, you'll be able to continue by entering the requested details to retrieve your reservation. Keep in mind that online check-in becomes available within a specific time window before departure, which can vary by fare type and route. So if you don't see the option yet, it may simply be too early. When your booking appears, review passenger information carefully and ensure everything is correct before proceeding. If you don't see any bookings listed, such as when using a new or tutorial account, that's normal. The page will still be where you return once you have an active reservation to check in. That's all there is to reaching the Wizz Air check-in and booking section. With your booking reference and last name on hand, you'll be ready to move through the check-in steps as soon as your flight window opens. Safe travels, and thanks for following along.